Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again, also known as CR. As you can tell here, I'm breaking some ground as I'm actually outside right now. The current temperature is about minus 25 Celsius and the wind chill is about, I believe, minus 37, minus 38 Celsius, which is very, very, very close to minus 40. I'm just breaking some ground here. And the reason why I'm doing this, and outside right now, as you can see, I'm breaking ground. Literally, I'm like the first one to walk out here. And the reason I'm doing this is as a reminder to everyone. During this time of year, take it seriously. Take it seriously. Take your time traveling. Let people know where you're going. Bring some extra shelter with you. Blankets, ice cleats, snowshoes, a lighter, heaters, hand sanitizer, blankets, and all that good stuff. Because remember, it can get cold. And yeah, you might have your vehicle, car, or whatever, but remember, things can happen. And you may have to be traveling on foot. So remember, as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. Now, a single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video from me, it's peace out from the guy known as CR, and I'll catch you all next time.